Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore Gurully's PTE dashboard. You can visit gurully.com on your Google Chrome browser, or you can simply type Gurully on Google search and click on the first link to open the website. Once you're on the website, you have two options on the top right. The first one is sign in for the users who are already registered with us. The second is free sign up. If you do not have a Gurully account, you can click on this, create an account in moments and get a free mock test. Currently, if you're a registered user, just click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you have to log in with your registered email and password and click on sign in button. So welcome to Gurully's dashboard. This is how a PTE course dashboard will look. Now on the top right, click on your name. It will have three options under that: profile, invoice and logout. You can click on profile. You'll be able to change password, delete account or change state or city from here. Let me show you an example for a profile picture. And this is how you can change your profile picture. The second option is invoice. Any purchase you make, for example, if you purchase the lowest package around the globe, which is our 5 days package, you can just purchase, and within 24 to 48 hours of the purchase, the invoice will be available here for download. So you can download the invoice from here. Over on the top right, you have become a Prime member option. We will go through that in a bit. Then we have a help desk option. If you click on it, you have three options over there. You can call us on this number. Our support team will assist you with any kind of questions or queries you are facing with the platform. For that matter, they will also assist you in achieving your targeted scores. You can call us in between 9 AM to 7 PM from Monday to Saturday. We are also available on WhatsApp. For an instant resolution, you can WhatsApp us. We have a video guide as well. So it is related to the platform, where how to use the platform. We have all the videos listed over there. Over here you have app. So currently you can practice question-wise practice on your mobile app. We have app on App Store as well as on Google Play. You can scan the QR codes in the video to download the app, or you can search Gurully PTE Practice on Google Play Store or App Store to download the app and start your practice right away. So this is how the dashboard will look. On the right side you have PTE voucher. You can purchase genuine PTE voucher from here. When you scroll down, you have our Telegram channel where students community is there who helps each other in achieving their target score. Over here we have microphone test. So if you are the first time user, or for that matter if you are giving the mock test again, we recommend to please check this over here so that you do not face any kind of microphone issues. Currently I'm practicing for PTE Core. Let me show you how you can change the exam from PTE Core to PTE Academics. Under exam type, you have to click on edit button, select PTE Academic and click on save. This will change your exam from PTE Core to PTE Academic. You can see the same changes over here as well as over here on the top screen. Now let's talk about how you can practice on our platform. So on the left side, you will see the menu. That's where the magic happens. Click on practice. Over here, you can practice for your question-wise practice for each questions of the sections. If you hover the mouse over here, you will see 20 listed question types. You can select any one and start your practice. For example, let's say that you want to practice for a particular question, and if you're aware that this is the keyword for that, you can open the sidebar, search the title over here and practice for that particular question. Now over here you will see, if you click on practiced, you will see these are the questions I have practiced, and that is the reason why these are shown under practiced. Any other questions which are not practiced will be shown under not practiced. This is the same feature for all 20 questions. Alright, so let's move to the section wise practice. So this is where you can practice for each section. Now let's come to the mock test. Over here you will see all the mock tests listed and you can practice them to achieve your targeted score. We also have templates for each question wise under 4 sections. Once you become a Prime member, those templates will be unlocked and you can utilize it to achieve your targeted score. We also have prediction files. Every month the prediction files are updated as per the latest question bank. This feature is also for Prime members only, so you have to become a Prime member to access this feature. We have vocab book where you can practice the words, which is really an important thing for any English language proficiency test. You should know your vocab so that you can score better scores. Now over here we have reading vocab and listening vocab. You can click on listen and write to practice listening vocab, and you can click on any of this word over here under reading vocab to read them out loud. Now below is knowledge zone. So this is for everyone, and I encourage all the students for PTE, IELTS, Duolingo or Self-Pip to go through knowledge zone at least once or twice to understand how the scores are calculated, what is the validity of the test, how the results are generated, as well as what is the score comparison. This is the important part. But the most important part of this section is the score calculation. So this will show you which section or which question type holds a weightage of high scores, and this will help you to achieve your targeted score. So I would urge all the students to please go through this. It will be very helpful for you. Now let's explore how to become a Prime member. You have two ways to become a Prime member. Either you can click over here on the top right corner to become a Prime member. You can review the benefits we offer if you become a Prime member, or you can click on packages directly to access that. You can click on Prime benefits to review the benefits we offer. You can select the day-wise packages. We offer a range of packages from 5 days all the way to 60 days. Now the 5 days package is the lowest we have in the market. You will not find this price anywhere in the market. To become a Prime member, you can select the days and click on checkout. Once you're on the checkout page, you can apply the promo code and click on the Pay Now button to make the payment. So that's how you can utilize Gurully's platform to achieve your targeted score. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Feel free to comment any concerns below and we will address them. Thank you.